Hi, this is Tim with the Assembly Toolbox. Today I'll be showing you how to process the weekly assembly report that's sent from corporate each Saturday morning about 6 a.m. Log in with your credentials and you'll see right away that assembly request is red, and if you highlight that, assembly worksheet is red. That tells you that you've received one. It has not been processed for the week and you need to take care of it. So let's do just that. Now the worksheet itself is a list of all the products and how many quantities are needed to be built within that given store. The trick is you need to know how many are actually in inventory. So you're going to print a walk and count form, and what that'll provide is this list here, but with a blank spot here for the number built. Go through the floor, check out the inventory. Now when you come back, it's time to actually fill this sheet out. And let's say we've done a walk, we've learned what the actual quantities are for these given stores. Let's also say there's a few you'd like a few extra because you know you're selling them really well. Okay, now that you've picked what you need, you can save it for later if you'd like to resume later. If you don't generate the request before Monday, it'll do it for you automatically early Monday morning. But we prefer you submit it as soon as you know what you've got. The sooner our manager knows, the better they can schedule you. Now that we've done that, this has created created assembly requests with that information. Now what's useful here, before I actually show you a print ticket, I want to show you what about things that come in through the week, because we know we want you to fill out that request once a week. Well, what happens when I get a customer order? These you can do anytime. So let's say somebody came in, they've got a build item. You can add that on the fly. It will add itself for the pick list of what remains to be built for the week. Now, we actually wanted to see a pick ticket of what we just selected, and there you have it. This can be printed out and provided to your stockroom folks to have the items that you need specifically already pulled before our assemblers even arrive, with the customer orders prioritized and the actual appropriate products pulled.